NS50 is one of the great choices if you want to have a nice artificial general lighting in an office or other places where you need high performance. Now the NS50 comes in different lengths. Standard we are talking about the 60, it can be 1.2, 1.5, 1.8 and even higher compared to what you need. Now the length is something that we can adjust according to your needs in the project, but the length which is above 4 meters is typically connected together, and then you have one light of light without any dark spots in between. The luminaire that I stand with right now is the version with the sensor, and the sensor is pretty much included in a way, so you have board here where you have the sensor included, so there is absolutely no light here that will interact with the sensor. The sensor can be suitable for many different systems, including Casambi. You can also use Silviair, and we can also use the Easy Air from Signify. Now, the luminaire itself, the lamp housing, is done in a way so we can basically use every kind of RAL colors that you need. We can also deliver this solution here with a wood look-alike treatment, so it will almost be like a wood manufacturing process. The installation way can be different. The one that I stand with right now is the one for a pendant installation, where Lumega will, in cooperation with you, install the power cord, so you save some time on the installation. The wires will be installed and so on, so you basically just install the luminaires and that's it. So the way of doing that is an easy ongoing situation for every part, and the surface mounted solution can be in different solutions as well. The power cords can come out from the end, each end if you like, and it can also be with 2 cable holes in one end, and then also from the end cap if that's needed in some projects. The front glass, last but not least, is capable of different versions. There is the opal that I'll stand with right now. You also have the microprismatic front glass, which will lower the GGR. And at last, for the easy installation, we have the opportunity, especially for the surface mounted, to deliver the product with Vinstavago or Wieland. We can also use other plugs for your choice, and then of course installation of the halogen-free cable in the luminaire.